All right, guys. So this weekend we're replacing this crappy old plastic bumper with a all-new off-road plate bumper. We're going to be flush mounting some lights, but unfortunately where we're doing it, I'm going to be taking this up to my brother's place up in Oregon. It's about a 2-hour drive. We're going to take you guys through the process of building the whole bumper, and yeah, should be a lot of fun. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and yeah, let's get into it. Hold up right here, okay? There, right there. Okay, hold up that one. No, hold up that one. Or which one? We've got a 20-inch light bar in the front. It's the amber one, so it cuts through the dust a little bit better on dirt roads. We're gonna do a 15-degree light pod on each side, and then we're gonna do some light pods on the front for the fog light system. So basically what we're doing is we're running 3/16 steel on the whole thing, and we're welding up some mounts right now for it, and yeah, we're gonna burn some wire and get it done. Okay. Alright guys, so what we're going to look at now, if you guys are doing this in your garage and you want to build your own bumper and you're looking at starting and welding, it's always good to have a friend with you, and all that friend is good for is drinking your beer and setting up your welding machine, right? So right now I've got my buddy Romain right here, okay? Romain's going to set up the welding machine, and what I want to do is I want to set it to the middle heat setting, which is your voltage setting, okay? So just set it to the middle and leave it alone, especially on 3/16 steel. Okay, now all Romain's gonna do for me is he's gonna turn that wire speed back, the other dial, until it sounds like I'm frying bacon. So at first, you're gonna hear the wire popping. It's like the wire is jabbing the steel. So it's ch-ch-ch-ch-ch. And all Romain's gonna do is he's gonna dial it back until it sounds like we're frying bacon. So we're gonna go ahead and do that for you now, so you guys know how to set up your welding machine. All right, okay, here we go.
Go, Romain.
Fire in the hole. there it is. That's how you set up your welding machine. Bacon, baby. When we're looking at, do my muscles look okay in this?
No.
Yeah.
Girl.
Okay, so what we're using to clean up the corners and the welds on this, it's the Diablo sand discs. These work really well for cleaning up the welds. So anyway, so 36 grit to cut down your welds, and then you're gonna use the 50 grit to clean it up for your self-etch primer. What we decided is this bumper doesn't quite look mean enough. So we're gonna cut on these chalk lines here to give it even more clearance. And we're giving this bumper a little haircut. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this Miller plasma cutter. We're gonna go ahead and give it a better approach angle. We really like the way the bumper looks right now, but since it's already bare steel and we're just cleaning up the welds at this point, we're gonna go ahead and give it a better approach angle because why not? It's already in pieces. Let's do it.
We're doing self-etch primer and then
Bed liner.
bed liner.
Yeah. Do this, make sure you're using self-etch on bare steel. It really helps though with the durability of whatever top coat you put on it.
Time to put it on.
Yeah, just slide in now. Scared me.
video's not even catching it. It doesn't even understand.
It's a bright white bar, dude.
Thank you guys for watching. It was a lot of fun putting that bumper together, and yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you guys like and subscribe if you like this kind of thing. Yeah, and rear bumper coming soon, eventually. We'll see, you know.